Yeah. Next.
Yeah.
Well, the terms radical Islam and Islamophobia sparking heated debate when Hollywood star Ben Affleck appeared on a panel with cable TV host Bill Maher. Watch the exchange here.
I'm not denying that certain people are bigoted against Muslims as people, and that's a problem.
Big of you.
But
why are you so hostile about this concept?
It's gross. It's racist.
It's not. But it's so nuts.
It's like saying
it's so not.
You're shifty Jew.
You're not listening to what we are saying. It's the only religion that acts like the mafia that will kill you if you say the wrong thing, draw the wrong picture, or write the wrong book.
So what is your solution? What is your ask?
No,
just condemn Islam?
The solution. The solution is very much what
we've killed more Muslims than they've killed us by an awful lot. We've invaded more Muslims.
I am not for more killing.
An awful lot. And yet somehow we're exempted from these things because they're not really a reflection of what we believe in. We did by accident. That's why we invaded Iraq.
There is a lot of reaction to this morning. Tyler Harber's a Republican pollster, campaign communications expert, managing partner at Hardin Global. Bernard Whitman, former pollster for President Clinton, CEO of Whitman Insight Strategies. Gentlemen, good morning.
Morning
to both of you. I saw some comments from both of you. You both take Affleck's side on this. And Bill Maher was doing another interview this morning, maybe to clarify this, and he says it all depends on how you frame it. Now, when I listened to that back and forth, I thought they were talking right by one another. I thought Maher was talking about Islamic extremism. And I think Affleck thought he was painting with a much broader brush. Now, Tyler, start us off right now, and
sure.
How you define what's bigotry and what's just reality.
Well, I think the first thing we have to look at is what is infotainment and what isn't. I think some of the things that Bill made reference to, especially saying that it's the only religion that will kill you for doing certain things, or showing Allah, or making cartoons, or making false statements, or statements that they believe to be false against their religion. And I think statements like that gave Ben Affleck really kind of a starting point to say, Bill, you're lumping in all of these extremists with these normal majority practice.
But that's not what Maher was saying. That's not what Maher was saying.
Well, he said it. He said that the very quote that came out of this was that he said, this is the only religion. It's like the mafia. They'll kill you, for doing a number of things.
No, we just heard what he said, okay? I mean, sure. Maher's an atheist, right? And Sam Harris was an atheist, too. He's an author. He was on that panel. You saw him in the clip. He said, Islam at the moment is the mother lode of bad ideas. Now, Bernard, you quibble with that.
I do. And, Bill, my teacher, Rav Berg, whose death anniversary is actually today, always said that the true essence of spirituality is to love thy neighbor as thyself. And the problem sometimes with religion and critics of religion is that they seek to ignore this precept, they seek to divide us, they seek to separate us instead of unite us. And that's exactly what Bill Maher did yesterday with his defamatory, disgusting, and derogatory remark against Islam. The truth is that Islam, like all great religions, has a storied past. Some of it very tolerant, as when the Muslim Ottoman Empire welcomed the Jews after the Inquisition. Some of it very violent.
No, guys, you're missing the point here. He's arguing about 2014. And oftentimes people will go back and say, yeah, but the Christians and the Crusaders, they were bad too.
Bill,
all right, we got it 600 years ago. But in 2014...
Bill, he indicted 1 billion Muslims with that comment. It's simply not true.
We have to have. I can't believe I'm defending Bill Maher here.
Bill Maher did.
He did not indict 1 billion.
He said it's the only religion.
He talked about radical Islam.
No, he said it's the only religion where the mafia will effing kill you. That is defamatory, it's racist, it's disgusting. The fact that a small group of terrorists have hijacked a great religion in the name of violence, that is a fact.
We all agree on that.
But the issue is not the religion of Islam. The issue is the politicalization and the Islamist organizations that are using Islam as a crutch and as a shield to hide their true terrorist, violent nature.
That should be condemned by everyone.
Well, that's not what Bill Maher did.
Sure. And Bill Maher was lumping everybody together, and if the argument that he was trying to make was that there are extremists who we should focus on and treat differently than the majority of those who are practicing Islam, then that was very poorly conveyed. And I think Ben Affleck had I don't agree with necessarily the way that he came at it. But Ben Affleck had a great point.
Jenna, but his big point was that if you are critical of radical Islam, that does not in itself make you a bigot.
No, it doesn't. But he actually wasn't critical of radical Islam. He indicted the entire religion of Islam. And if you look at our partners in this fight, Saudi Arabia, the UAE, Jordan, and others, these are people who we need to rely on to win this fight. And if you look at calls of clerics around the country and across the world, these people are speaking out against the violent extremism of in the name of Islam.
They are starting to, Bernard, but I think we would all agree the headlines are not there yet.
That doesn't mean
well, it's a lack of education, too, of the American public.
But what Bernard's point is that you need these religious Islamic leaders day after day, not just every now and then, occasionally, day after day, saying this is not what our faith stands for. Tyler, you get the last word.
You know, I think that you could even look at the Protestant faith here in the United States and say that there are snake handlers and folks who speak in tongues, and from a foreign perspective, to lump all the Protestants into that and say that we all do that we all handle snakes and speak in tongues. Well, it's wrong. The majority of those who practice the Protestant religion in the United States do not do these things. And I think that Bill Maher trying to lump everyone together into a universal idea or definition that they're wrong is bad.
All right, gentlemen, to be continued. We'll see what he says later today, all right? Tyler Harbour and Bernard Whitman. Appreciate it, gentlemen, from D.C. and New York. 20 minutes before the hour.